in the building, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, tap that subscribe button so that you won't miss out on any of my new uploads. And if you have already subscribed, what's good, what's poppin', welcome back to my channel. The hair that I'll be using in today's video is from the Outre Expression Twisted Up series, and this is their 3x Mango Locs in 18 inches. And the reason why it's 3 times, because you get 3 bundles of hair within one package, and that equals to about 30 strands per package. So I do have 4 packs of this hair, and let's get into this video. Today I'll be making my own headband wig from scratch, and the wig cap that I'm using in today's video is the Shake and Go Crochet Wig Cap with combs. And I love this wig cap simply because it comes with combs and the holes on this cap isn't too small. And all I'm doing here is sewing a regular black headband to the edge of this wig cap, and that is what will make this wig into a headband wig. Very quick, very simple, and easy. And when you guys go ahead and sew your bands onto your wig cap, you want to make sure that you're not sewing your stitches too close together, because that will get rid of the stretchiness of the bands of this wig cap. This is what the headband is looking like after I completely sewed it around the circumference of this wig cap, and as you guys can see, it looks very seamless. This is what the loop of the crochet lock is looking like, and I absolutely love that it's not hard for me to get that loop open while crocheting this hair on, because that is very important to me. If you cannot get your loop open, it just makes the crochet process 10 times harder and 10 times longer, and this hair was absolutely easy to install because that loop wasn't too tight. Now, in order for me to make sure that I absolutely had enough hair to complete this wig, I spaced out the locks in the back section about an inch apart from each other, just to make sure that I would have enough hair to complete the wig. Now, I love to do the staggering method when creating any type of crochet wig, because this just allows the wig to have as much coverage as possible throughout the entirety of the wig. Now, what I mean by staggering the locks is I'm placing my lock in between the 2 locks that I created in the previous row, and as you guys can see, it's kind of giving it a brick layer effect, and this will give you the maximum amount of coverage when you are wearing your wig. I do the same installation process throughout the back and the sides of this wig, so I'm going to come back when I'm ready to install these locks in the front section of the wig, because I do something a little bit different. In the front section of the wig, I am placing the crochet locks a lot closer to each other, because the front of the wig is what will be seen the most, and you want to make sure that no gaps is being seen in the front section of the wig when you're wearing it. So you want to place the locks a lot closer together in the front of your wig. I know I forgot to mention before that this hair is in the color California Sunset, and that is this triple tone ombre hair, which goes from the 1B color at the root into the yellow into the orange on the ends. And when I seen this hair in the store, I fell in love with it and I had to get this hair. So I did purchase this hair from my local beauty supply store. I'm pretty sure you can probably find this hair on samsbeauty.com or ebonyline.com if you guys wanted to order this hair online, but I did pick this hair up in my local beauty supply store. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the rest of this front section, and I'll be back to show you guys what the wig is looking like after I've installed all of the locks into the wig. Now after I've completed completely finished crocheting in the front and the side sections of this wig, I did realize I had a lot more hair left over, so I am going to go in with that extra hair that I had left over and just fill it in throughout the back section of this wig. And when you guys are filling in your wigs in the back, you do not have to worry about staggering, because the staggering already took care of the coverage of the wig. You're simply just going in and adding more strands of this hair just to make the wig a lot fuller in the back section. This is what the completed wig is looking like after I went ahead and installed all 4 packs of this hair into the wig. And just look at how full this wig is. Look at how the coverage is looking like in the front and on the sides and in the back. I'm spinning it around so that you guys can see what everything looks like. This wig came out absolutely amazing. And of course, you guys can pair this wig with your favorite headbands. You can do that as well, and I will be showing you a few different styles that you can do with this wig. Right here, I'm showing you guys what the spacing is looking like in the back of this wig and how everything just looks so great. And now I'm showing you guys the color and texture of this wig. Phenomenal. The first style that I'm going to be showing you guys that you can create with this wig is 2 ponytails at the front section of this wig. And I love this style because it's very cute, it's very stylish, and it's so much in trend, especially with any type of crochet or braided styles. Now, after I got the ponytails up there, I did go ahead and use 2 strands of the locks to just hide the hair ties at the base of the ponytails. The next style I'll be showing you is a very simple and easy style that can easily be transitioned from the ponytails, and that is 2 top knot buns. Now, this last style that I will be showing you guys is my absolute favorite style to wear with any hairstyle, and that is the infamous half up, half down hairstyle. And this is absolutely easy and is the perfect way to keep hair from falling in your face. Now I'm just going to show you guys the length of this hair and what this ombre is looking like, and this hair is absolutely giving me California sunset vibes. In this video, I was able to show you guys how to make your own headband wig using the 3x Mango Locs by Outre Expressions, and this hair is from their Twisted Up line series. I absolutely love the texture of these locks because to me they mimic natural human hair locks, and the color of these locks is just an added bonus for me. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any questions that you may have, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye, my beauties!